You may be wondering whether or not you need a power of attorney as part of your estate plan. Power of attorneys are important documents because what they do is, in the event that you're unable to make decisions on your own behalf due to an accident or some other type of illness, then this document gives legal power to somebody that you've appointed to make those decisions when you're unable to. It's really important that you have a person that you trust and somebody that knows you and knows what you would want to do with your assets or with your health. Power of attorney is part of an overall estate plan that will protect and help you transfer your assets to your loved ones and heirs upon your death. The reality is that life comes at us sometimes, and you never know when you're going to need one. And it's important to have one because accidents happen every day. And what you want to do is make sure that you have the right person in charge of your stuff when you're incapable of saying it yourself. There's many different types of powers of attorney, but the most common that we include are a financial durable power of attorney and then a durable power of attorney for healthcare. So on the financial durable power of attorney, it's basically going to be you appointing a personal representative or a power of attorney to make all the financial decisions that may arise in your life while you're alive, but unable to make those decisions yourself. It's going to be things like paying bills, investments, selling things, and it's going to generally give whoever you've chosen for this position the most rights possible to handle any decisions that may arise while you're incapable of making those decisions yourself. It's a big decision. It's one that should be taken, that shouldn't be taken lightly. It's a document that you should put together now while you have the ability to make these decisions, as opposed to waiting and then leaving it up to the unknown. A healthcare power of attorney is an important document because what it does is it allows you to dictate what happens to your health in the event that you're unable to make that decision yourself. Whether you want to have a DNR, do not resuscitate, whether there are certain organs that you would like to have donated, or whether there are certain religious beliefs that you have with regard to how your body is dealt with upon before you're able to make that decision yourself. It's important to have somebody that you really respect and somebody that you trust to make those decisions on your behalf before you're in a position where you can't make those decisions yourself. A power of attorney can affect financial decisions because if you've appointed somebody to take over your financial decision making in the event you're unable to, then they really hold a lot of power. They're going to have access to all of your money, whether that's investments, bank accounts, checking accounts, credit accounts, any loans, or any other assets or debts that you have out there. Your power of attorney is going to be able to make business decisions on your behalf to the extent that you want to make sure that this person is somebody that you trust, that understands your business and that understands how you operate. Power of attorney has a great deal of power when it comes to reinvesting things that you may have, selling off items to pay for debts, and generally just handling your estate while you can't make that decision yourself. As your life changes, so may your power of attorney. It may be necessary for you to come in or contact your attorney and ask that your power of attorney, your previous power of attorney, be revoked and a new one be appointed. Those are all very common. It's very simple to do. Life changes, your power of attorney can change right along with that. Relationships change, and certain individuals in your life may be important to you or may be close to you at one point, or they may pass, or they may move away, so it makes sense for you to appoint somebody else as a power of attorney. Those documents are easily revoked, and a new power of attorney can easily be made. If you have any questions about a power of attorney or what rights are awarded with a power of attorney, schedule your free case evaluation with an attorney at huskerlaw.com.